All right, so I have the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser right here. So I'm going to use this to clean off some stains that I have on the wall. It looks like some scuff marks. I have some scuff marks there. And then I also have some scuff marks right there as well as there. I'm going to use these on the different types of scuff marks to see how well the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser actually does. Here's another scuff mark right down here. And I'm going to put this to work. There's a big one right there. I'm going to start off with this one right here, the small one right here, to see how well that this works. Okay, so using this, you have to wet this and then put it on here. Apply, go ahead and do that. So right now I'm going to go ahead and wet the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So I'm going to go to the restroom. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser right here. So I wet this, squeeze the excess water, moisture out, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this and go ahead and put it back to use. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Here are the scuff marks right here. I'm going to come up here. Here is the scuff mark. This is not the heavy one. The heavy one's right here. I'm going to start off with this one right here. And I'm just going to take it. And it's going to take some elbow grease, but it looks like it's coming up somewhat at the bottom. And it looks like some of the Mr. Clean is actually disintegrating, but let me squeeze a little bit of excess water out of that. I'm just going to keep on doing some elbow grease. And it looks like it is slowly but surely coming off. Got to do a lot of elbow grease, not just a little bit. I'm going to flip the side right here. It is erasing though. All right. A lot of it has come off, but it's taking some work. Whoa. So after a lot of elbow grease, you can see most of it has come off. And so I'm assuming, there we go. All right, it's come off. Look at that. It's gonna take some elbow grease, but it got rid of that stain for the most part. Look, there's maybe a trickle mark right here. Just gonna do a little bit more elbow grease right on the trickle. Look at that. It's come off just like that. So the Magic Eraser does work. It takes a little bit of elbow grease. And essentially what I think it does, it just brings off a small inkling layer of the paint. But it does actually get off. You see that? It got the stain off. And then this one right here is a thick one right here. So it's going to take a little bit of elbow grease. And essentially what I think it's doing is taking off the ever so thinnest layer of top coat of the paint. All right, look at that. It's coming off. So I'm just going to get those two marks just to show you, because it does take some elbow grease. So I hope you have some time to actually, and some energy to actually get the stain off. But look at that. It's coming off nice and clean. This one came off pretty easily. Oh, wow. Long strokes, I guess. So that one came off clean. So it actually does work, but some stains may take a little bit more effort than others, because these right here are seeming to come off fairly easy. Whereas the first one was very difficult, but the stains come off easily. All right, so that's Mr. Clean right there. Gets the stains off pretty nicely. All right, hope this was helpful.